Right. A very good morning to everyone. So today I'll be talk about operators concept, and before going to start the operators, in the last class we spoken about control statements, because to demonstrate the practically hands-on, if else conditions are required. Therefore, I spoken about them. Let's start now operators, each and every operator. So in sequential manner, yeah, there are 7 types of operators we have basically in the Python. Let's see, So firstly, there is an arithmetic operators concept. Obviously, we know that an arithmetic operators in is in order to perform the arithmetic related operations, arithmetic expressions. Most of the things, to solve the real world problems. So arithmetic expressions are mandatory. Obviously, whatever you do, if you want to calculate the speed of the car, s equal to ut plus half at square, it's an arithmetic expression. If you want to calculate the percentage of discount for you, that's an arithmetic expression. Likewise, everywhere we used to write an arithmetic expressions. Obviously, whenever we manually think about arithmetic expressions, there is a concept is called as a precedence and associativity is mandatory. Means the priority, if there is a one expression is having multiple operators, which part is going to be evaluated first? It has a precedence, priority of an operators. Accordingly, the things would happen, right? I'll talk about it. And these are the operators are comes under arithmetic operators. I'll be explaining to you with an hands-on knowledge about all these operators. Okay, right? Let's come to relational operators. Relational operators already mathematically we know that. So obviously, to compare the characteristics of the two entities, like, your pass percentage is greater than my pass percentage, your property is greater than my property, your height is greater than my height. All the comparisons wherever required, we used to apply relational operators, right? And these are the relational operators: less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, double equals to, not equals to. So we know mathematically, programmatically, it also same. Clear? And comes to logical operators, so to compare the more than one condition at a time, like there is a AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. So in according to the C, C++, Java, would you have AND is going to be represented as like this, and logical OR is represented as like this, and NOT will be represented as like this. Clear? So in case of the Python, we do have, these are the operators like AND, OR, NOT. So why to use, when to use, how to use, without which what happen, all this I'll be give you the hands-on to you. Clear? Okay. Comes to assignment operator. Assignment operator, that equal operator is called as an assignment operator. Double equal operator is to compare two values are equal or not, less than or greater than or not, like that. But whereas the single equal operator is assigning a value from a right hand side to the left hand side. Let's suppose, if I tell you my name, how do you remember? Venkat is my name is equal to my phone number is this. You will be create in your memory, in your brain, Venkat is my name and mobile number is a value. So here equal operator is what exactly we doing? Equal operator is allows to assign a value from a right hand side to the left hand side variable. The same thing I have written here. But human doesn't follow formally, but mathematically, programmatically, we do follow. Otherwise, the equal operator is no meaning. Yes or no? Exactly. So here we do have a lot of situations that plus equal operator is equal to plus plus operator. In C, C++, we do have a plus plus operator, right? Post increment and pre-decrement. Mix C language kada? Yes, yes. So here plus plus operator is not existing in Python. Wherever plus plus operator is required, we do go with this particular operator. And wherever this minus minus operator is mandatory, we go with this particular operator, minus equal operator. Clear? సో అవి లేవు కాబట్టి వాటికి ఈక్వలెంట్గా ఇవి ఆపరేషన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం. ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఎలా అనేది నేను చెప్తాను. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ గో అహెడ్, రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది 3 operators. Let's see. Membership operators. Membership operators we don't have in other programming languages. అసలు మెంబర్షిప్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఒక గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్లో నీకు మెంబర్షిప్ ఉందా లేదా అని అనడమే మెంబర్షిప్. దెర్ ఆర్ 2 operators. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్, నాట్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్స్. క్లియర్? నౌ here, to search a desired element or an object in a group of elements is called, you know what? The job of the in operator. అంటే ఇప్పుడు గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ ఉంది. There are plenty of documents are available behind Google. You are searching for a one element, one keyword. అంటే ఆ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లో, గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ నువ్వు సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నది ఉంటే, ట్రూ విల్ బి ద అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ టు యూ యాజ్ అన్ అవుట్పుట్. అంటే డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉంది, నువ్వు సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్న డాక్యుమెంట్. ఒకవేళ నువ్వు సెర్చ్ చేసిన ఎలిమెంట్ లేదనుకో ఆ గ్రూప్ లో, లేదు అని వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద జాబ్ ఈస్ డస్ బై ఇన్ అండ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్స్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే ఇన్ అండ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్స్. గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఉందా లేదా అని స్టేటస్ చెప్పే ప్రాసెస్ కోసమే మనము నిన్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటే విల్ గెట్ టు నో వెరీ క్లియర్లీ దట్ హౌ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇన్ అండ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్ విల్ వర్క్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? Great. Okay. Next, identity operators. Identity operators ante identity ante ఏంటి మీనింగ్ జనరల్ గా? What do you mean by identity? Yeah. Identity means, ఇప్పుడు మన బ్రెయిన్ లో విక్రమ్ 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 అని ముగ్గురు పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి అనుకో. ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు కాల్ యూ, ఫస్ట్లీ విచ్ విక్రమ్ యూ విల్ ఆస్క్, రైట్? అంటే నీ ఐడెంటిటీ ఏంటి? విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అ సఫిషియంట్ యూనిక్ వాల్యూ ఫర్ యూ. ఎందుకంటే నీలాంటి విక్రమ్ వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉంటారు. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? నీకు నేమ్తో పాటు ఇంకొక అడ్రస్ ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ అ యూనిక్. ద కంప్యూటర్ విల్ స్టోర్ a particular value with a name which is an identifier or variable along with a address also. హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ మనం స్టోర్ చేయమల. 2 objects కి ఒకటే అడ్రస్ ఉంటే ఈజ్ అండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆపరేటర్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ట్రూ యాజ్ అన్ అవుట్పుట్. let us show you here. Identity operators are is not. There are 2 operators, is and is not operators. Let us 1 second, just hold on. Is not. Clear? So what is the job of the is and is not? They are identity operators. To compare 2 object addresses are same or not. ఇప్పుడు let's suppose there is a Venkat, has the phone number is, there is another person, Srini, the phone number is the same. You tell me, in this particular case in mobile, it will throw an error to you. Already Venkat అనే పర్సన్ కి ఈ నంబర్ ఉంది, శ్రీని అనే పర్సన్ కూడా సేమ్ నంబర్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే what does it mean? Here Venkat and Srini are the different people, but the phone number will be the same. అంటే ఏంటి, మెమరీ ఎలా అలొకేట్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? వెంకట్ అనే పర్సన్ కి మెమరీ అలొకేట్ అయింది ఆల్రెడీ. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? హియర్ ద వాల్యూ ఇస్ 7799. This value will be stored into this. There will be an address 11 22 00 564, like that. There is an address. Now what you are doing, the same value you are trying to be refer with a Srini also. General మన మొబైల్ అలా స్టోర్ చేస్తే shall I merge existing mobile number అని వస్తుంది, గుర్తుందా? కరెక్ట్, క్లియర్? ఆ డూప్లికేట్ అడ్రస్ ని ఎవరు డిటెక్ట్ చేస్తారంటే ఈజ్ అనే ఆపరేటర్ డిటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేస్తే నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. బట్ హౌఎవర్ the main purpose of the is operator is that to compare the address of the Venkat and to compare the address of the Srini. వెంకట్ కి శ్రీనికి సేమ్ అడ్రస్ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే వాల్యూ సేమ్ కాబట్టి. ఇప్పుడు నీ యొక్క బ్రెయిన్ లో హెచ్డిఎఫ్సి ఏటీఎం పిన్ నంబర్ 1234, ఎస్బీఐ కార్డ్ ఆల్సో 1234. నువ్వు ఎందుకు డిఫరెంట్ మెమొరీని అలొకేట్ చేస్తున్నావు నీ బ్రెయిన్ లో? వేస్ట్ కదా. వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకటే చాలు కదా. That is the concept of identity operators concept. It saves the memory because duplicate values you are storing into your brain, right? Human ki elago no duplicate values ni store chestunnava ani cheppe possibility manaku ledu. But computer has that. Are you clear? It will be tell you that, I'll tell you with hands-on knowledge. Are you clear? Okay. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators in our day-to-day life we never use. At an electronics level, for the information security, for the encryption and decryption purpose, we do use bitwise operators. They are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, exclusive OR, left shift, right shift, and tilde operator, which is a complement operator. To perform the binary level of an operations, we do use the bitwise operators. Only at electronics level we use. We never use in day-to-day life these particular operators. So what are those operators? Obviously here, bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, exclusive operator, left shift operator, right shift operator, and a tilde operator. Why these operators will use, how they will be used, with hands-on knowledge, I'll tell you. Theoretically, you don't understand anymore. Okay, I'll be talk all the things, all the operators with the hands-on knowledge to you. Guys, online people, do you have any questions so far? I think these are the 7 types of operators. After completion of this entire code, like whatever the topics, like 7 types of operators, you will be understand the type of operators concepts. Obviously, applications, each operator will be applied where, when, and why. Implementation with a Python, with the right area of each operator. That's all. Do you have any questions, online users?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So thank you, guys. Let's go with I request everyone, Arif, Mohan, Monica, Sushmita, Jahnavi, and Shashank. Are you holding laptops, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, I'll be doing this all practical programs. I request you to be practice accordingly, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Let us go with the hands-on knowledge too. Yeah. I hope everyone is seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. I'll be taking a program like, arithmetic operators. Clear? So now I'm taking, there is a variable called as a x, where int input of enter x value, y is equal to int of input of enter y value. Just I wanted to check that, how arithmetic sum, arithmetic subtraction, all these operators are working, right? So print, there is a sum operation I would like to perform. Slash and indicates the output will be go to the next line, comma, x plus y. Clear? Now let's see if you wanted to execute, just right click on it and execute. It will be produce the right output and by taking input value under, right? So I'm giving 100 as an input x value, 200 as the value. What is the x plus y? 300. Obviously, right? Okay, great. Now similarly, print subtraction result. X minus y. Yes or no? Let us execute. Give the value. Sum of two numbers will be the 700 and subtraction will be 500 minus 200 is going to be 300. So mathematically, programmatically, the output is produced in the same way. Just what will do? If I ask you small numbers, you will be able to understand. If I ask you this kind of large number, human will take more time, but the computer will take 1 nanosecond. Let's suppose this is a larger value. Yes or no? From which I wanted to perform. Will you able to do the sum and as well as subtraction just like that? It takes more time for you. Therefore, we are using the computer program because the computer does millions of instructions per a second. Now you see the output. Absolute it will give you. This is the sum of two numbers. This is the subtraction between x and y. For a human being, probably will take 10 to 15 minutes of time to give this accurate result. If he trying to solve it very quickly, probably will be give a wrong output also. Are you clear? Therefore, we are using a computer programs now. Are you clear, guys? Great. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us go with another operation, that the print multiplication result slash comma x and y. See, in case of the mathematics, we do use this operator as like this. Clear? But programmatically, this operator is called asterisk. This is the name of this operator, asterisk. Clear? This is a multiplication operator. Clear? Okay. Let us see the output now. I'm taking 20 as x, 10 as the y. Now, I would like to show you that, obviously it is the sum of two numbers, subtraction between two numbers, and multiplication of the two numbers. Are you clear? Okay. Let's suppose print. There is a coefficient. X division y. Clear? Now, enter 50, 10. Now, obviously, you know that this is the coefficient value whenever you are dividing 50 divided by 10. This is the multiplication. This is a subtraction. This is a addition between two numbers. Now, there is another operator is that same floor division operator. Floor division operator result. Closely observe what will happen here. X 2 double slash y. Output ఎలా వస్తుంది ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. So here, the division operator is giving 14.28 will be the coefficient value. But this particular operator, only this integer portion will be displayed as an output by ignoring this particular portion. Only this particular possibility. Integer portion will be given, decimal portion will not be displayed to you. That is the purpose of the floor division or integer division operation will be done. Many number of times, we used to apply that. Clear? When time comes, I'll tell you. Clear? Now the next operator is that print reminder. X modulus y. This operator, this percentile operator, we use in mathematics like a percentage operator. But here, this operator should be call it as modulus. This operator is called as modulus. It will be, when you perform the division, it will be give you reminder. Lastly, whatever the remainder will be left over, that will be shown as an output when you perform the modulus operation. Clear? Let us see output now. Let us see by executing that. 50 and x value is 3. You see? If you divide the 50 divided by 3, the remainder is going to become what? 2. This is the coefficient. This is the floor division operation. Are you clear? Remainder will be produced by this. Okay. Next, lastly, we do have exponential result. Exponential result. That x y. It means that, let's suppose if I give 2 to the power of 3. What is the result of this? Right. 2 into 2 into 2. That is a job is done by this particular operator. This operator will be called exponential operator. If we give x value as a 2 and y value as a 3, 8 will be result produced by this. Are you clear? Let us see now. X value is 2, y value is 3. Are you clear? Please, everyone, I request you to execute confirm. Then I'll go with another program. Control A, Control C. I'm pasting you guys in our WhatsApp group. So please, I request everyone to execute quickly. Me laptop execute cheyandi.
Or sir.
Yeah, great. Okay. Arif, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Great. I'll check. Now I'll do another program now. In the same way, whatever the way you have executed, ఇప్పుడు మనం క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తయారు చేసాం కదా, it is equal to calculator. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎలా కావాలి? క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఇలా తయారు చేయాలి. నాకు ఇలా రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నేను 8 into 5 అని కొడితే నాకు 48 రిజల్ట్. నాకు ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ తయారు చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇంతవరకు ఇలా రాసావు కదా నువ్వు, ఇలా మనం యూజ్ చేయం కదా రియల్గా. నువ్వు ఇలా తయారు చేస్తే వేరే వాళ్ళకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లాగా. ఇలా ఉంటే ఇలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. నౌ I'll do the program how to create a calculator like this. ఎందుకంటే ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఈ పైథాన్తోనే డెవలప్ చేశారు దీన్ని. ఇలా తయారు చేయాలో చూపిస్తాను నేను. దెన్ ఫైనల్ అదే ప్రోగ్రామ్, అదే సాఫ్ట్వేర్. నువ్వు దానికోసం నేర్చుకుంటున్నావు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్, అంతేగాని దీనికోసం కాదు. ఇలా రాసేసిపోతూ ఉంటే ఇలాంటి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎప్పుడు తయారు చేస్తావు నువ్వు? ఇప్పుడు ఇది కావాలి మనకి. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఓహో అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అలా ఉపయోగపడతాయని నీకు తెలుస్తుంది. క్లియర్? క్విక్లీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, ఐల్ డూ దాట్ పర్టికులర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. యా.